Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty is expected move an important level for the next day. So let me just show you the stock future trade that we have taken in Tata Steel. So as you guys can see, we covered our position when the stock went in contrary to our expectation, and we covered our position with a loss of around 12,000 rupees. So let me just share the rationale what went by in this particular stock. So let me just open a Tata Steel's chart for you. So we gone short in this particular stock with the expectation that it might open a gap down, but contrary to our expectation, the stock opened gap up and was going on a high side pretty fast. So that's the only reason we covered our position quickly. So if you are with me on my stock future trade, you must have observed that I try to cover profit and losses both very early. So this is the only reason, because when what happens is, if you are trading in a stock future trade, the risk can increase very much if the stock goes up or down contrary to your expectation, and you will be end up making huge losses. So whenever you see that the stock has not been behaving as per your expectation, and if you feel that or if you analyze the option chart data and technical indicators, which I did today, and I felt that the stock might go on a high side and might end up breaking is 144 days exponential moving average, and in that case the stock could have gone much high. So we did not take any sort of risk and covered our position quickly. So booking a loss is also part of trading, so make sure you understand that and manage your risk accurately. So that was my result for the Tata Steel. Now let us quickly understand what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So if you analyze the option chart data for the Bank Nifty, what you can see is 11,100 to 10,300 is a broad option activity range, indicative option activity range. Now if you just observe the candlestick pattern, the market came down heavily, tested 144 days exponential moving average, went up again 55 days exponential moving average, proved to be a good sort of resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 candle tried to broke on a high side, but finally it failed, and finally now the Nifty is trading below is 89 days exponential moving average, and above is 144 days exponential moving average. So basically 10,450 to 10,270 will be a broad range for the Nifty. Till the time the market breach any of these levels, you will not see a significant move on either side. If you analyze the call data from the Nifty, you can see a stable to bearish kind of position, but the put data did indicate that the volatility can increase and may go down till the on a bearish side, because 10,300 to 10,400 has seen a fresh creation of bullish position, and 10,450 to 11,100 has seen a aggressive put short covering. So put short covering also suggests a good sort of volatility. So 10,450 to 10,270 broad range, you can see up and down market going here and there. If this particular level gets broken, you can definitely take a trade with a slightly 20-25 point stop loss on other side, and you can expect a good target if the market drifts or breaches on any of these particular moving averages. Now let us quickly see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So if you analyze the option activity range, 24,500 to 25,500 is the broad option activity range for the Bank Nifty. Call lighting has happened in the call side, so it did suggest a sort of stable to bearish position, and put writing has been and a fresh creation of bullish position, and put short covering has been seen in a put side. Now the stock Bank Nifty is already trading below its 144 days exponential moving average. So 20,000 25,100 might act as a good sort of resistance for the market. If you see the market or Bank Nifty trading on a high side and breaching above 25,100, you can definitely make a small stop loss of 25 points, like 2,500 25,100 will act as a good sort of support if it trades above that, and it will act as a good sort of resistance if it trades below that. So accordingly you can trade and expect a target of 25,365 on a high side, and on a lower side market can go much down. The levels I have already given in my previous video. If you have not seen that particular video, I will give you an eye link at the end of this video. Now technical indicators are also stalling at a lower level. The relatively longer time frame MACD is already in the bearish zone. So guys, stay light on a long position, and you can see a good sort of down move if this if the market is not able to recover from the levels where it is trading right now. So make sure you stay very light on long position. Don't create aggressive bearish position as well, because you can see a quick recovery. So market is not something that you can make a particular swing kind of trading and hold on to it. You just need to observe the market, do intraday trading if you feel a particular level has been acting as a support and resistance, and but don't hold on to your position and carry forward it for the next day. So that is my analysis for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you want to learn my system, make sure you check out the video description, where you can find the detailed playlist of each and every videos that I have made. Apart from that, if you want to join my Telegram channel, you can also find a link in the video description. It's free. My WhatsApp broadcast, which is premium WhatsApp broadcast, where I share my trades on a real-time basis. You can also join that. For that, you can also find the number in the video description. So that's it for the today's video, guys. Make sure if you have liked the video, you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family in a WhatsApp or Telegram group, whatever it may be. In case if you have any doubt or if you have any query, you can always mention it in the comment section of the video. Thank you.